Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Janet. Alright, let's talk about the secret you should know in crochet creating. The video you're about to see has been posted before, but pay attention to the secret, okay? Now you have to really twist like 4 times, then you give it a knot, okay? This part will enable you to crochet it to your hair or to a net cap. Alright, okay, then you twist down slowly. If this is a coiling hair, most people, when they want to make a straight braided wig like Bob Marley braid, they have to make it tight so that it can last. That is one secret, okay? Alright, if you have your coil, something about crochet, leave coils, at least a coil at the tip, so that it will attract your customers to patronize you. Another secret, we are going to make a crochet braid very soon, and we are going to share details of how we made them. Okay, now this is just a coiling process. You have to take your time to coil it so that it can be tight enough and it doesn't loosen when you put it in hot water. Okay, thank you Maybell for drawing my attention to the video we posted last. It was too fast. I noticed I was trying to work within the range of 60 seconds. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and please like our page and our channel. We love you. Okay, this is what you get. Then you dip it into a boiled water, because a friend of mine tried this and she did not get a good result. I'm so sorry. The water have to be boiled. That is another secret. It has to be boiled. And someone asked me if they can do their woven. Yes, please subscribe and find out. Thank you. I hope you love the final result. Yes, this is the final result. It can be styled in any pattern. Maybe we will make a video of the pattern of weavings. Thank you. Please subscribe, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.